Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how Viber account for free calls and messages. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is that you need to go to Play Store and get for this app called Viber. After that, you simply click on it. Once you're there, you simply click on what start now. After which, you simply need to select your country. Once you're there, you simply need to insert your Viber number. That's the number that you want to use for Viber. After that, you click on what continue. Yes, they are going to send you a message, that is a code to activate your account. Yes, fill automatic. So once you receive a call or a text message, you simply insert it, and after that you simply need to insert your full names. After that, your place of birth, that's a year. After that, your email address. So once you are done with that, you simply need to click on what next. Allow. So guys, we are just on creating our Viber account. Thank you guys for watching.